So there was also one more query regarding the Mud Master. This model is particularly GG1000. And to see a Casio model, you have to see here. It's like GG1000. And you might think that there are model numbers like GG1000, 1B, 1A, 1AV, or maybe 7B. So that's actually depicting the color. But the basic design of the watch is GG and then 1000. So when we talk about the Mudmaster series, this particular watch has two twin sensors. One sensor is for the temperature, the other is for the compass. So right now we are going to understand how to calibrate the compass of this particular watch. To do that, the steps are very simple. First, you have to be into the timekeeping mode. How you'll be in timekeeping mode? This is the timekeeping mode. So we'll be changing the mode. So we have here timekeeping mode. The best way to judge is that day is here and the time is here. So there are ways wherein you can have date for time. So this particular watch has four buttons: one, two, three, four, and one dedicated button for compass. Coming back to the basic, the problem that we were going to solve is that how to calibrate the compass. What does the issue means? The issue means that your compass is showing just few directions, like it's showing only south and southwest. But when you are rotating the compass, it's not showing you other errors, like other directions, like north or maybe east. So you might think that the watch has gone mad, but technically, if you remember, when you use your phone's compass and if the compass is not calibrated, then the phone gives you an error. But unfortunately, this watch cannot give you that error. So just to rectify that, we'll just try to understand how to fix it. Now, first we'll turn on the compass. So this particular model might be a correct working one, but I'll still show it to you so that you can try it on your watch and get out of the issue. So pressing the compass button starts the compass. So as we are changing the directions, you can see that the direction is here like south, southwest. So now, so when you see three dashes, it means that the compass is tired enough. You have to press it again. So check southeast and then east. So this one is showing fairly all the directions. So no problem at all. I'll just fix it on your watch as well. So when we are there in the compass mode, you have to keep pressing the adjust button. So this is the adjust button. As I pressed it, it's showing me this blink. I'm sorry, the up arrow key, and the up arrow key is actually blinking. So first we are supposed to fix, stop this blinking thing. So I think that will be done by the mode button. Okay, no, this is not done by the mode button. Let me check again. I think it's done by the adjust button. No, that's also not the case. Okay, now I remember. As soon as it starts blinking, first you have to fix this thing. I think you press the compass button. Yes, now it stopped, right? So what you have to do, you saw that it mentioned okay, you have to move your watch in the other direction. But right now it's gone to the other mode wherein it's showing the down direction. So again I have to press the compass button to fix it. So now we have to take the watch down. So it's asking me to rotate the watch, and as I did, it went to okay. So now it means that the calibration is done. Now you might get that down arrow key, and even after your slight bending the watch, it does not go. So just turn it around like this. So when it shows down arrow, you have to turn it around like this. When it shows up arrow, you have to turn it around like this. So it's like you have to do it clockwise, then you have to do it anti-clockwise in the other way around, like wherever the directions are going. On the other hand, so this is the way wherein you are able to adjust the compass. So again the compass went tired, so you have to press again just to fix it. So this will fix the calibration issue of your function, of your compass. Now these issues of calibration are not at all a problem for your watch. To know that better, I would like to explain that calibration generally is required when the magnetic fields across the watch are not working properly. So it means that when the watch does not know which direction is which, it has to define itself with the respect to the gravity. So henceforth it asks you for rotating it again, like in the direction and the other direction. So technically, it's just a technical issue with the product which you can fix by pressing few buttons, but you should not visit the service center for this small petty issues. So that's it for the today, and for anything else, you can always comment. I'll be definitely be glad to make more videos out of watches, and we are trying to get this channel popular in terms of wrist watches, because there is no popular watch channel here in India. If there is any feedback, you please write in the comment section, which is open for all. And if in case you like it, you can share it with friends who are using the G-Shock watches. And if I'm wrong at any point of time, you can always highlight. I'm open to learning, no problem at all, because no one is here is an expert. So thank you for everything, and have a good day. Please subscribe to the channel for more videos on watches.